transmission is weird.
It is.
How it can work like that. Did not like Bob that made me feel like I didn't know how to drive a truck.
Well, the transmission, depending on what the rear ends are made
Yeah.
for, right?
It also breaks stuff. Wouldn't that make you feel bad if you hit your car and then ran over your cameras?
Oh.
Guys, you shit like that. Macks from the 70s and 80s. Now, on any Mack with a Mack engine, you have to actually pull to shut it down.